Hello, today we're at Cape May KOA in Cape May, New Jersey. You're riding along with Bugs on a bicycle. Camera in one hand, handlebar in the other. We just passed the guard shack. Got a guard there 24 hours a day. Nice little entrance to the campsite, campground. Directions to where everything's at. Driving by the swimming pool right now. Good sized little swimming pool with a snack bar in the back. Right there behind all the picnic tables is a snack bar. This is the office and the general store with good little camping supplies. Some toiletries if you need them. Activity center, lots of activities for kids and adults. Here's the volleyball net, a little field behind it. These are some of the pull-through patio sites. It's really nice sites. They're wide, long, plenty of room for parking, longer campers. They're really roomy. We were actually surprised on how roomy the slots were. Some of the places we've been at, the awning was touching the slide out of the next camper. Here's another separate dump station, I guess for the tent campers, the primitive campers. The sign on the tree back there said "Beware Bigfoot." A short stroll through the wooded area here, and we're on our way to Lake Lowry. And there went Bigfoot. Real pretty wooded area. There went Bigfoot again. This is Lake Lowry. This is their lake at the campground. You can see it's a good sized lake. It's clean. Beach on the other end. So this is the fishing side here if you want to go fishing. There was actually two boys fishing when I filmed this. These are some of the rental villas that are facing the lake. I apologize again for the camera. But here is the side shot of the lake, and to the left is looks like more of the permanent owners. Another one of the bathhouses and trash. There's some of the, there you are. Some of the villas I think that the people own. And there is the slide and trampoline that's out in the water. That's a little dock. And we're here at the beach. Plenty of lounge chairs. It says not busy this time of the day. To the left off the camera is the horseshoe pits. They actually look like they have kayak rentals. We didn't check, but I'm sure they do. The back stretch of the campground. This is another one of the bathhouses. Really nice, clean, well-kept bathhouses. They do not have air conditioning, but they have good ventilation. There's some of the cabins you can rent. This is the side stretch coming in. We're actually going back out. Another speed bump, which they're not too bad. We've been to places where the speed bumps were actually really rough. Those here wasn't too bad. Coming up on the other, there's the bathhouse. I got lost first night we was here. come in, take a shower, and made her own turn, come out the wrong door, and I don't know where I was at. It was dark, very, very dark. Couldn't see nothing. Flashlight I had was really dim. I couldn't tell the difference between the road and gravel. Coming up on this is actually the second park. There's one directly behind it. Between here and the swimming pool, there's the other one. This is the rec center. I don't know what's inside of it. I didn't go in it, but there's the tennis courts on the back side. And to the left is the basketball court. And a homemade bicycle ramp if you want to take a chance on breaking your neck. This is the back stretch here coming in to the overflow parking, boat parking, and also on the left is a propane filling station. The back side of the swimming pool going down toward the K9 park. That's what you're looking at here. Good sized little dog park, all fenced in. In the back, you can see some of the ramps for the trick dogs, I guess. Pull through patio slots. They have some primitive slots. Here's one of the patio slots, but you can see the fire ring, swing, picnic table, patio furniture with the patio. Really nice, long, wide, a lot of room for even the biggest campers. Really nice place. We really enjoyed it.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. Bye!